The manifesting secret that will change your life with immediate results using the law of assumption. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And oh, yes, today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, all manifesting, all attracting, whether it's a specific person or money, a new home, a new car, it all begins with the mind. This is why we've created miraclemindhypnosis.com, and you can go there and get your free audio. It's absolutely free. Miraclemindhypnosis.com. Now, the free audio will help you increase abundance big time in your life. Love, money, specific person, happiness, that new home, that new car, whatever it is you desire. You see, you have blocks. We all have blocks in our subconscious mind, limiting beliefs. Miracle Mind Hypnosis is a free audio program that I've created just for you. So try it out. It's free. You got nothing to lose. It works. I promise. So, high flyers, here's some manifesting secrets that will really begin to change your life very, very fast. And I'm talking about almost immediate results. This is incredible. One of the things that we do as human beings is we take past experiences, past beliefs, past thoughts, old thinking patterns, and we attempt to apply them to the future, to a new situation, to something that we'd like to manifest in our lives. Now, you can apply old thoughts and old patterns into the 3D world. It makes sense to do that. That's why you learn. You learn something, you apply it in the 3D world, but it doesn't work when you're consciously creating as a manifester in the world of vibration. The National Science Foundation says that we think between 12 and 60,000 thoughts per day. 12 to 60,000 thoughts per day. That's a lot of thoughts. That's a lot of thinking going on in our minds. Now, here's the downside of that. 95% of the thoughts that you will be thinking today, you thought yesterday and the day before and the day before. So you're trying to use old thoughts to create a new outcome. It doesn't work when it comes to conscious creating and the law of attraction and the law of assumption. Well, I shouldn't say it doesn't work because anything is possible. But think about this. 80% of your thoughts that you will have today, tomorrow, the next day will be negative. High flyers. If you want to manifest something you have never manifested, then you have to think thoughts that you have never thought before. So, number one, stop trying to predict your new future, your new outcome with old thoughts and old beliefs that haven't worked in the past and likely won't work now. You need new thoughts and new beliefs. My suggestion, high flyers, is to use the law of assumption. When you use the law of assumption, you just know that you know that you know. You don't know how, but you just know that your specific person is coming into your life, that your marriage is going to be saved, that the new house you want to buy somehow is going to work out and it's going to be yours. That happened in our life. So whatever the case may be, the law of assumption puts you in this state of gnosis, of knowingness. And that's when you really start to manifest with new beliefs and new thoughts. I like this basic premise, or you could even use it as an affirmation. I accept that it already exists and it's already mine. I accept that whatever I desire, it already exists in the universe and it's already mine. It's not that it will happen. It's not that I need to try to make it happen. It is happening right now. I don't know how. I don't know exactly when, but I know that it is already manifested and soon I will see it in my life because I believe it in my mind. And then, high flyers, it's not good enough to just think these new thoughts, to just assume a new outcome. You need to emotionalize it. I mean, you need to feel it in your body. You need to feel it in your soul, not as something you want, as something you already have. Remember, don't try to use past thoughts to try to figure out what's going to happen in the future. Allow the universe to do its thing. Allow the universe to do its work for you. And you simply become strong in your assumption that it's already yours. And number three, get your mind out of the 3D world. Look, if you want to look for evidence that something isn't going to happen, you can look for evidence. I had a gentleman come to me one time and he said, Robert, I'm a disc jockey and I need a truck. I need a van to be able to drive all this heavy equipment around town. I live in Los Angeles and I'm going broke because I can't work because I don't have a vehicle. I said, well, what's stopping you from buying one? I only have $500. And I know that $500 will not get me a vehicle that will run. I said, why do you choose to have that limiting belief? He said, really? That's a limiting belief? I said, yes. I said, right now, there is someone out there that has a new van. It runs well. It looks nice. It's everything you need. And this person is willing to sell it to you for $500 down. You give him $500, he'll sign over the title, and you'll make payments of $100 a month. Can you do that? He said, well, yes, but nobody's going to do that. They'd have to be out of their mind. I said, there you go again with the limiting beliefs. Guess what? 3 days later, he called me. He said, Robert, I'm going over to pick up my new van. $500. The gentleman likes my story, likes the fact that I want to use the van for work and for bettering my life, and wants to help me. He got that new van for $500 down and $100 a month. New thoughts, new beliefs. But what did we do? We had to assume. We had to assume that it was already his. You see, the 3D world, high flyers, it's a product of your old beliefs and your old thoughts and your old thinking patterns. And that's fine in the 3D world, but we're manifesting in the higher worlds of vibration, 5D, and then it is matriculating down into the 3D world. You cannot manifest a compelling future with old, tired beliefs and thoughts from the past. The 3D world is filled with words like, I can't, I won't, how can it happen? But the law of assumption, the conscious creator says, I have, it's mine. I have manifested it. I am living it. I am proof. The key is to operate your life and whatever it is you desire, your manifestation, with absolute, total certainty, complete certainty. And then you know what you got to do next? You know what you got to do next? You know, you got to let it go and let it flow. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.